up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today we're gonna teach you a sexy dance. This is a slow one but with some quick steps on it. So the title of the song is Back of My Mind by 2P. So Mimi, Ellie and Pinky will join us today. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Alright guys, let's start. So this one we start at first. You're gonna need to learn how to control your walk, okay? Because we have two walks on this one. So let's try, walk first. Slow, drag your feet. Drag, yes, control it. Control. Yes, control. Don't walk like, just like nothing. It's just going to the market, okay? You need to think you're wearing high heels. So first, 6, 7, walk. Walk. Sexy, walk, yes, okay. So let's start. So for this one, counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, two counts, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. So go to your right, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you need to whip your hair, flip your hair up. 7, 8. This is 1. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close on 1. Remember, close on 1. So 1, 2, 3. Your weight, your hips go here. 3, 4. So go to your left. So 3, 4. Then this one's longer. This is 5, 6, 7, snap on 8. We walk. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now, starting to walk. 3, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, down on 4. Then touch it. 5, 6, 7, change weight on 8. One more time from walk. 6, 7, snap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's come back from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Snap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Good job. So from here, next you're gonna go oh. So let's count. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hug yourself. Touch yourself. So don't be shy. Hit your body. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Down on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? One more time. So end up here. Oh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue. This one is quick. 1, 2. Away to 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, and 8. So basically you look like this. When you look like this, you go like 5, 6, 7, and 8. So here, 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this one have extension, so the count there will be a bit off. So let's try. From down, 6, 7, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's start from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Away. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But it's not so slow. You will see. We will play the music in slow motion. Okay? Next, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. You gotta step your right. Just walk front. 1, 2. Drag it 3 to the front 4. This one up. 5. Make sure it's close to your ear. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost. Let's continue. This is 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then finish. Yes, that's it. Let's try one more time from here. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ad-lib. Yes, good job. Okay, let's try everything from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Finish. Ta-da-da. Yeah.
Still I keep on running from my own life, because I'd rather not fight. It chases me soon as it's daylight, and well through the night. Stop wasting all my time with you. Now I can never stop wasting all my time with you. I feel alright when I don't see you.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, likes, comments on our video. Okay, if you have suggestion of dance or songs, you just leave a message in the comment section. Okay, bye bye.